Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Tenda A18 AC1200 Gigabit Wi-Fi range extender. The Tenda A18 AC1200 is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender that helps boost your existing wireless network and eliminate dead zones. It supports up to 1,200 megabits per second combined speed. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the extender box. Inside the Tenda A18 AC1200 Gigabit Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender unit with a built-in plug design, a quick installation guide, and warranty information. The extender has two external antennas for better signal coverage and a Gigabit Ethernet port for wired connections. Now plug the Tenda A18 into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait around 40 to 60 seconds until the signal LED starts blinking. This indicates it's ready to be set up. On your smartphone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network. Tenda_EXT. This network is open, no password, during the initial setup. Launch any web browser, like Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://re.tenda.cn or 192.168.0.254. Press Enter. If the page doesn't load, ensure you're still connected to Tenda_EXT. You'll be asked to create a login password for the extender, not your Wi-Fi password. Type your desired password. Click Start or Next to proceed. This password will be required if you log into the extender again in the future. The extender will scan and show a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. You'll see both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks from your router. Select your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password. Then select your 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password again if it's different. Click Next or Connect. The extender may use the same name as your router's Wi-Fi or append _EXT at the end, depending on your choice. After entering the passwords, the extender will apply the settings and reboot automatically. This takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once setup is complete, the signal LED should turn solid blue, good connection. You can now unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.